Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope that you're all doing really well. So guys, in today's video I'm doing a big tub of empties. So if you want to see what I've been using up, what I've been loving, what I've not been loving, then keep on watching. So guys, I've literally been collecting all of my trash, rubbish, used up makeup and beauty bits. So I've literally filled this big pink tub or basket or whatever you want to call it, and I've filled it up with everything that I've been using up. So let's just jump straight into it because I don't want this video being hella long. Okay, so the first thing out of the basket, guys, is this from Lee Stafford. It's the heat protection spray. I buy this time and time again. I love it so much. So the next product, guys, is this Brazilian keratin hair oil. It's basically meant to make your hair super sleek and straight. It does do that, but it also made my hair really greasy. Normally I can go up to 3, maybe 4 days, 5 days at a push without washing my hair. If I put this in, say if I'm, I don't know, going out to a restaurant or something now that we can, and I put this in, guaranteed the next day I'm going to have to wash my hair because it will look super greasy. Just a VO5 hairspray. I love this. I think it's $1.99 or something like that from Home Bargains. I've got a can of Petite dry shampoo. This was in the cherry. I think I got this out of a glossy box. I'm not a big lover of dry shampoos because I get irritated scalp if I use too much of this. This is my absolute favourite product. It's from John Frieda and it's the 3-day straight hair. Literally, you wash your hair, you spray this in and your hair is straight for 3 days solid. It doesn't get greasy. It's really nice, and I would definitely recommend if you haven't tried this already. So this product is a dupe for the Pixie Glow Tonic. So this is from Aldi. It's the Lacura Healthy Glow Glyconic Toner. So it's an exfoliating toner and it's got ginseng in it, which is extremely good for your skin. I have tried the Pixie one. It's like £18 to £20 for that one, but this one I think was only about £2, if that. I think it probably was even lower than that. L'Oreal LV long length dry frizzy serum. This is the same as the Brazilian keratin in a sense that it's a leave-in smoothing toner for your hair and it tames frizzy long hair basically. It's good. It smells beautiful. It really does smell beautiful, guys. It protects your hair up to 330 centigrade degrees heat, whatever. But then again, it still makes your hair greasy if you put it in too much. So I just put a tiny little dot in and do like my mids to my ends. I tend not to put it on my roots or anything like that because it will make your hair extremely greasy. I've gone through another bottle of Ariana Grande's Cloud. I think it's Cloud or Moon. Obviously, I've gone through a bottle of primer water from Primark. This is the Rose Prime Water. Garnier. This is the Micellar Oil Infused Cleansing Water. This is the Dry and Sensitive for skin because I have really dry, sensitive skin. It removes even waterproof makeup, which it absolutely does, and it literally breaks it all down, and I buy this stuff time and time again. I'm so sad, but I'm out of my Elemis Apricot Smooth Toner. I got this in my Molly May box. I absolutely fell in love with this. This product is gorgeous. I put it on before makeup, after I did my skincare in the evening, and my skin was glowing. It was so nice. I think it's about £23, so I might have to treat myself to one of these again. My absolute favourite hair mask in the whole entire world. These smell so divine. Oh my god, they just smell so beautiful. I have seen them once or twice in Home Bargains, and you can get them for, I think it's like $4.99, $3.99, something like that. So if you haven't tried these, I definitely would. They're this brand. I'm not going to say it because I'm going to butcher it up 100%, but oh my god. We all know my obsession with a good sheet mask. So I'm just going to quickly go through them. So I've tried this sheet mask from Poundland, the Just Right one. It's okay. It was a little bit dry, not going to lie. It's got vitamin C in there. My sister picked this up for my Christmas. I think it was in my little Christmas hamper. But it was a nice tissue mask. It was a little bit on the dry side for a tissue mask, but I tried it and it's an okay mask. We have an exfoliating scrub. This one I think I got out of a glossy box. So this is the Main Tan Body and Skin exfoliating scrub for buttery, smooth, soft skin. So basically, before you tan or anything, not that I'm tanning or anything because I'm too scared in case I look like a tiger bread. But yeah, I loved this stuff. It made my skin feel so smooth and so beautiful. The only reason I don't tan is because I don't want the dreaded orange fingers. Total Repair Lip Mask. I got this out of a glossy box as well. This left my lips feeling so luscious and juicy and soft. I definitely want to try more lip masks. This is from the Moroccan Oil brand. And oh my god, it smells gorgeous. It really does. And I think I picked this up in Home Bargains. I think I did, or I got it in a glossy box, one of the two. But yeah, this is a little hair mask which smelled gorgeous. Obviously, you guys know my obsession with this one. You can only find it every now and again in Home Bargains. But this is the Hyaluronic Acid Intensive 2-Part Hydration Treatment Mask. The next one is this avocado mask. I got this in a glossy box, I'm sure I did. And this is a the plant-based range from Beauty Pro. And this is a really nice, beautiful mask. Moisture Bomb masks from Garnier. I absolutely love these masks. I mean, I have 3. Whoops! I have 2 of the blue and 1 of the pink. Juanita eye masks. These were gorgeous. When I felt all puffy under my eyes due to my hay fever, these were absolutely beautiful and I love them so much. And then this one I got from Tesco's. They're 99p and they're from Masking, and this is a detoxing charcoal and menthol face mask. It felt so nice on my skin. It felt amazing. It literally made my face feel really nice and cleansed. So the next product is this Murad eye cream. So this is the retinol eye cream that I got in the Molly May box. I've used it all up. It was beautiful. It really made my eyes feel super hydrated and just nice in general. Murad is a really expensive brand. I can't remember how much this was on its own, but I will put it up on screen how much this eye serum is, but it's expensive. Another product from the Molly May box was this CEO Sunday Riley, the Vitamin C Rich Hydration Cream. I loved this so much. My skin literally cleared up within days of using this. And again, it's a really expensive product from Sunday Riley. I think it was like £65 on its own, this little cream. But I definitely need to invest in some vitamin C cream because it really did brighten up my skin, made it fresh, made it clear. So yeah, I might have to invest in some cream, whether it be from Sunday Riley or another brand with vitamin C, because vitamin C is amazing for your skin. This is the Aussie 48-hour Secret Sensational Smooth Conditioning Mist. This is gorgeous. I used it on my hair, I've used it on my daughter's hair, and this is absolutely lovely. It smells beautiful, and it literally, when you're straightening your hair, it just goes really smooth. It's a leave-in conditioner, and oh my god, I really need to get this. Again, have a little bottle of Jimmy Choo all used up. I'm sure it's all used up. Let's just check. Yeah, it's all used up. Some Femme Fresh, you know, you've got to keep your coochie nice and clean. I prefer to use this over soaps because you've got to keep your pH balance down there, you know, all tip top. So yeah, this is an everyday use for your coochie to keep it cleany. So another, oh god, it's got all hairs over it, I'm so gross. Another Lee Stafford product that I absolutely use all the time, and this is the Shine Serum. So It literally, you put it in when your hair has been washed, you blow dry it, then you straighten it, and your hair is super, super soft, super sleek, super shiny and beautiful. And I think this is about $6.99, something like that, from Boots. Another thing from a glossy box is this Avent Hyaluronic Vitamin C moisturizer. I had to look to see if it was a moisturizer or a face wash. So this is the moisturizer, and it was really, really nice. Yeah, Avent is another really expensive brand, so I probably won't repurchase it, to be honest. I have the empty box of the complexion sponge that I got in a glossy box. So this is the So Eco. It's really good. I'm still using it now. It looks a bit dingy and disgusting. So I think I'm about due a new beauty sponge. Another bottle of perfume that I've used up. So this is the DKNY Be Tempted So Blush perfume. I absolutely love this. It's more of a daytimey kind of perfume, and I love that it looks like a little apple, like a little pink lady apple. But yeah, it's really nice, and it has actually all gone. So I have a Model Co eyebrow gel. This is completely and utterly dried up. It was okay. I literally love my Benefit 24-hour brow setter. That is my literal ride or die gel. I got this in a glossy box. But yeah, it was alright. It was okay. It did its job, but I won't try any other brow gel apart from Benefit 24-hour brow setter, because that is my favourite and I love it. My brows are literally not going anywhere when I put that stuff on. I have a little mini of the Body Shop Himalayan charcoal mask. Oh my god, I absolutely love this mask. I've got it in a bigger size and I just love it. I love it so, so much. Me, my daughter, my son, we all love it. It literally calms your breakouts down, it softens your skin, and I think I'll keep buying this time and time again. I don't know how much this little sample pot was, but the actual big size is £18, and I will keep buying it because it's amazing. I've got this in a glossy box as well, so it's like quite a lot of glossy box products that I've used up. So this is the Juicy Lips lip scrub. It smells like honey and lemon, and it's just beautiful. And if your lips are dry and crusty, I put this on twice a week, and oh my god, my lips were so smooth, so beautiful. And yeah, I definitely think I will definitely repurchase this. I have the Ciate London lip gloss. This was gorgeous. It's the oh, what is it, the watermelon one. Oh my god, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I think I will definitely repurchase that one. I have this from Revolution. So this is the Bicula serum. So this is really, really gorgeous. I really rate the Revolution skincare. People are saying that it's for the younger generation. No, it's not. I'm like nearly 40 and I love using Revolution skincare. It's beautiful. I liked their, I've got a whole video actually on Revolution skincare. I will pop that down below of what I've used. And I've used some of their face masks as well. So I will put those videos down below if you want to watch those, because their Revolution skincare is amazing, and I would definitely highly recommend. Even if you've got maturer skin, I would definitely highly recommend, and they're really affordable as well. So I will definitely repurchase this one again. I have a little sample from Bare Minerals. So this is their little primer. I absolutely loved this, to be honest, guys. My foundation sat on it really, really nice. And yeah, it's just a really nice little primer. And talking about primers, I have a little mini Smashbox one that I got out of a glossy box. And this is the original Photo Finish Smoothing Primer. And again, it's a really nice primer, but I use primers from Revolution, from Primark and stuff like that, and they do the exact same thing. And these full size are like £30. I'm sure they are. They're about £30, and £30 for a primer is not in my price bracket. I will pay £30 for a foundation, or I'll pay £30 to £60 on an eyeshadow palette. but not really on primers and stuff like that. So yeah. 3 foundations that I've gone through. So one is the Rimmel Lasting Matte, which is gorgeous. I absolutely, oh my god, this hair's everywhere. I absolutely love, love, love this foundation. I definitely will get it again. It's a mattifying one. You only need the tiniest amount, and it's a beautiful, affordable foundation. My ride or die is a Fit Me foundation in 118. I absolutely love this foundation and will buy it time and time again. And the last one is the L'Oreal True Match foundation. I have mine in 2N Vanilla and I love it. So guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video. I love watching these videos myself. I love seeing what other people have used up, what they'll buy again, what they won't buy again. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. I need to go wash my hands now because it's got so much serum and hair over it. It's disgusting. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below and hit that notification bell so you get updated every time I upload a video, which is every Sunday, and I will see you next week, guys. Enjoy your week and I love you always. Bye guys.